myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hard. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches long like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maidenhair. Feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. Fragile space in a single sail. White rocky island, you and I on the trail.